how to develop peace of mind and how to reduce anger, jealousy. All these, through training of mind, you can tackle destructive emotion and increase positive emotion. Perhaps, if may I say so, like me. At the beginning, we all same. But through, you see, thinking. Now today, my mind more peaceful. And towards Chinese communist, instead of anger, I really feel sympathy. They are short-sighted.
No, short-sightedness.
And narrow-minded. So I also pray for them. I never feel negative feeling. So that's very good. So firstly, the net mind brings very sound sleep. No anger. Complete rest. Okay.